Experiencing no cold air in your 2020 Tesla Model X? Several factors could be the culprit. Common issues include a faulty electric compressor, often due to low oil, refrigerant leaks, frequently at seals or the condenser, or electrical/software glitches within the vehicle's integrated thermal management system. This video will guide you through troubleshooting these potential problems. Before diving into complex diagnostics, start with the basics. Check your cabin air filter for blockages. A clogged filter restricts airflow, which can prevent cold air from circulating properly in your Tesla Model X. Next, use the Tesla Diagnostic tool in the Tesla app or an OBD2 scanner to check for error codes. These tools can reveal underlying issues that might affect your AC system. While codes like P0521, which relates to the engine oil pressure sensor, might seem unrelated to the AC, they can indicate underlying issues that affect the entire vehicle's systems, including cooling. Always note down any error codes you find for reference. The electric compressor is a vital component. Listen for unusual humming noises when you turn on the AC. A humming compressor that isn't producing cold air often indicates a problem. Tesla's software updates like V12.5.1 and V13.0 have improved compressor diagnostics. If you suspect a compressor issue, lubrication may help, but replacement is often necessary, especially if it has seized. Low refrigerant levels are a frequent cause of AC failure. If your AC isn't blowing cold, a refrigerant leak is a prime suspect. Look for visual signs of leaks around hoses and seals. Tesla issued a voluntary recall, campaign number 2024-001, for refrigerant leaks in the AC condenser of 2020 to 2022 Model X vehicles. A recharge to 1.5 to 2 kilograms using AC-specific tools is a temporary fix. A UV dye test can pinpoint the leak's source for a permanent repair. Be aware that some newer Tesla models are transitioning to more sustainable refrigerants like R1234YF or even CO2. Tesla's AC system is heavily integrated with the vehicle's software. Glitches can sometimes prevent the AC from functioning correctly. Try performing an ECU reset. This can resolve software glitches affecting the AC. Software updates are often pushed out to address AC issues. Ensure your car has the latest version. According to Tesla engineers, software is a first-line fix, with 80% of AC issues being code-related per Tesla's 2025 Q3 report. Tesla vehicles contain high-voltage electrical systems that power the AC compressor and other components. Working on these systems without proper training can be extremely dangerous, potentially causing serious injury or death. However, some basic checks are safe for DIY enthusiasts. The cabin air filter is located in the footwell and can be easily inspected and replaced without touching any electrical components. Complex repairs involving the AC compressor, refrigerant systems, and electrical components require professional service. Tesla-certified technicians have the specialized training and equipment to safely handle high-voltage systems and follow proper safety protocols. Refrigerant handling and recharging also requires professional certification and specialized equipment. Improper procedures can harm the environment and create health risks. When in doubt, always consult Tesla-certified technicians to ensure safe and effective repairs. Many 2020 Model X owners have reported AC issues, sharing their experiences online. Check online forums like Reddit's r/Tesla Motors subreddit and the Tesla Motors Club forum for shared experiences from other owners. Be aware of NHTSA recalls, such as P24009, which address defects in AC condensers affecting thousands of vehicles. These case studies and recalls provide valuable insights into common problems like refrigerant leaks and compressor failures, along with solutions such as recharging systems or replacing components. Note that delays in parts availability are common, as reported by many owners experiencing these issues. The future of Tesla AC repair involves AI-driven diagnostics and over-the-air updates. Tesla is developing systems that can analyze vehicle data in real time to predict and prevent AC failures. Through predictive maintenance, potential issues like compressor wear or refrigerant levels can be identified and fixed remotely via software updates, reducing the need for physical repairs. Tesla is also transitioning to sustainable refrigerants, particularly CO2-based systems that are more environmentally friendly than traditional refrigerants. These systems reduce leak rates by up to 40% according to EPA data and integrate better with the vehicle's thermal management, cutting energy use by 15 to 20%. Looking ahead, experts forecast the widespread adoption of liquid-cooled condensers in Tesla vehicles for superior reliability. These condensers provide better cooling efficiency, especially in hot climates, and help prevent the cascade of AC failures into battery overheating issues. To ensure your Tesla's AC system remains reliable, annual inspections are highly recommended by experts. As Tesla advances toward autonomous self-repair capabilities, regular maintenance will become even more important. By 2030, up to 90% of AC issues may be fixed remotely via AI diagnostics.